Well, I think often, there's so much noise in the media, and people get very influenced by whatever the commonly held perception in the investment world. The investment world, we tend to sit up in our little ivory towers, often removed from the real world, and the perception with the investment world can become their own reality. And I mean, a very good example was the technology boom of 10 years ago, when everybody in the investment community was talking about the new economy and all these companies which made no profit and didn't have much revenue either, but they were valued much higher than well-established companies like Woolworths and Amcor. So that perception, sometimes you have to challenge the commonly held perceptions in investment markets. Another one was 2 or 3 years ago when people were saying China can grow at 15% per annum forever. Well, again, you've got to sort of take a step back and say, well, has that ever happened in humanity's history or something? So sometimes you have to challenge some of those commonly held perceptions, and just be cautious when everyone's going in one direction and it doesn't sound like 100% correct. One's got to be cautious, because often share prices will quickly reflect that perception. And when reality strikes, you'll often get a very quick reversal in many of those share prices.